What if I told you that learning English could be as fun as playing with your favorite toys? Well, that's exactly what our English Language Foundation course is all about. Hello there, brilliant Class 2 students. I'm here to tell you about something really special. A course that's been made just for you. Think of it as your very own English adventure book, filled with colorful pages and friendly explanations that make learning feel like play. Our journey together has 4 exciting stops. First, we'll explore grammar. That's like learning the building blocks of language. We'll discover what nouns and verbs are, using cute examples that'll make you smile. It's like having a toolbox where every word has its special place. Next, we'll visit mechanics. This is where we learn about full stops, capital letters, and how to write neat sentences. Think of it as learning the rules of a fun game that helps your writing look beautiful. Then comes usage. This part helps you avoid silly mistakes and choose just the right words. It's like having a helpful friend who whispers the best choices in your ear. Finally, we'll reach the writer's guide, where you'll create your own short letters, poems, and descriptions. This is where the real magic happens. You become the storyteller. The best part, there are practice questions throughout to help you learn and an answer key so you can check your progress. It's colorful, friendly, and perfectly sized for young learners like you. Plus, it'll help you shine in those English Olympiads too. So, are you ready to discover just how amazing English can be? Let's begin this wonderful adventure together.